open Pixellab application. So as it is launching now, we wait. So we have this interface for Pixellab on your phone, and this is what you're going to get. So we start the design. So in this case, what you want to design is a poster. So that poster of yours that you want to design, maybe you might want to put up the background. So I'll remove that text. Then you go and get a background. So we have all these options that we can use to get the background. So to insert a picture or a background, you need to go into the import. So command the import. If I need this one, I'll command on it. Then it has this one, you can resize depending on the size that you want. So you have a square, you can change to this aspect ratio of your choice, the one that you want. So it's up to you, and you can use this one 16:9. So just now mark it. So just resize it to make it bigger so that it covers the entire screen. So we're able to see now that we have designed that one. Then what you do is go and lock the background. So just lock it, then move back. Then from there now we can add text depending on what you want to design. So you go to the plus to there, then get text. So in this case now we want to design something. So we are going to edit the text to whatever text that you want to put. So in this case I want to design the heading, and it's going to be called St. Charles Rwanga. So we have that, then command OK. So now if you check, the text is too big, we can resize. So go to A where we have the settings for the text, and just drag them like that to find size. So you have the size here, then just command to resize. Then you can use the handles now to resize this text. If you want it a single text, then you can just work with the handles, resize until it fits the screen. So it's not fitting, we can still continue by reducing the size, then we drag. And now this way you will see that it has now it is now on the screen with one line instead of going into the next line. Then just try to resize. Then from there what you can do is go and change the font. So just tick it there. Then you are going to change the font size, the font color. You can change the color to whatever color that you want, any color that works with the black as a background. So try to find any color of your choice, any color that you want. So I'll use that one, then just say OK, command, and this is what you are able to see. So from there you have that. Then one thing that you can also change is the board and the fonts. So you have the fonts here, so just go and change the font that you want. So I have some options, some fonts that I might want to use, so I'll get that one, then OK. So from there now I have a thick type of a font. Then I can now go back and change the size to a size that I need. So just reduce the size so that it fits on the screen nicely. So this is what we have. So we have the heading now, St. Charles Rwanga Computer Training Center. You have created that part, then just go and lock it as well. Or before you do that, you might want to copy the same thing. So I want to create a poster for something that I might want to use. So in this case, I'll just copy the same text, then from there drag it down, then go and lock the other one. So we need to lock it. So just now remaining with this one. Now we are going to edit. So what we are going to do is we are saying we are trying to advertise for our courses. So in this case, we will just need to remove all that, delete it, then type in whatever you want to do. So I'll say courses on offer. So courses on offer, the courses that you are offering, then you can just put You can also see if there are errors. So I have typed 3F. Now just hit OK, and it is like that. So now if you want, you can also change the color. You can mix up the colors depending on how you want this poster to be. So I will go and change the color. So in this case now we are going to use white as our color. So just do that, then OK. Then duplicate the same part again. So just copy the text. So hit copy. Then here now we'll say, so the courses that are on offer, we edit. So we have a 2 months program. So just say, you say 2 months. So we have a 2 months program. Then just change that one. Then say OK. So this is what we are going to put there. Then we also have a 6 months program. We will put it side by side. If you have images that you want to insert, you can still do that. So now on this one, I will go and edit. There we are going to put 6. So we are saying 6 months program. So this is what we are getting now. So just hit OK. Then this is what we have. Then in this case now, if you want to make some changes on that part or this other part, you can still make what changes. So what are the courses that are under 2 months and what are the courses that are under 6 months? So before we even go any further, let's just lock these so that you're not disturbed in any way. So we have this one still active. I'll just duplicate it. So we're going to copy that text, then drag it here. So this is where now we're going to write the courses that we are offering. So go and edit. So here on the 2 months program, we have the first program is the introduction. So we have introduction to Windows. Introduction to Windows. Introduction to Windows. Then the other program that we have is Microsoft. So we say Microsoft package. So under this one, that's where we are going to find Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. So they are all found in that same program. Now what you are going to do is you are going to make some changes here. So we start with the font. I don't want to use this font, so we are going to change it. So go to the fonts. Then from there, we are going to use a different font for that part. So I'll use now this one so that even the bullets are shown. So we command, then you have this part. The next that we're going to do is now change the color. We are going to change the color to, let's find orange. So something like this, what is almost appearing as the heading. Now we have this introduction to Windows, Microsoft Office package. So from there, if you want to add more, you can just go and command edit. Then from there, just hit enter. Then if you want to show what is under there, now you are going to use a different bullet and you are going to put Microsoft Word. So there is Word. You are also going to put Excel. So put in anything that you want to add. So for this demo, I'll just end on Excel. You can continue. Then just hit OK. So these are the programs that are under 2 months program. So if the distance is just too much, you can just try to drag it a little bit up. So we have done that. Now what we are going to do is even work with the size. We reduce it a little bit. So reduce a little bit of these programs. Then OK. So you can also copy this same part so that you just use it to edit for the 6 months program. So I'll just copy the same part and now put it under there. So what programs are we going to find in a 6 months program? So in a 6-month program, we still have the introduction to Windows, we still have the package. So what you are going to do is just now add programs, other programs. So there is logo, and the other one is graphics, logo and graphics design. So these are the programs that are under 6 months offer. Now we want to show how much this person is supposed to pay on a 6 months program. So to do that, we are going to get a shape. Then from there, let's change this shape to a circle. So just circle. Then you can reduce it. If you so wish, again you can change the background color. So in this case, now let's go to the colors and change. So the colors, you go on the color there and use orange, because you don't want to mix the colors that much. So you are going to use the same orange for our circle. Then once you are done with that one, we need to get a text. Then get a text. So I'll use this one here. So just copy, go back to text and copy that one. So you are going to put it there. Now this one is not going to work as proper as we want it. So you are going to edit. We'll change the color later on. So here I'll put now the price, 420 kwacha. That's what we are paying for a 2-month program. Then just say okay. So once you are done with that one, you drag it inside the circle, but make sure it is on top of the circle. Then go and change the font, because this font is not showing the numbers properly. So go to the fonts. Then from there, go to my fonts, because I'm using those fonts that are downloaded. Then choose Lemon, and this is how it's going to appear, and hit OK. So white is not all that much. We can try to change the color of the text. So just find the colors and try using black. So now black is okay, it's visible, we're able to see it. So what you are going to do now is leave it like that. Then from there, go and unlock a shape, because we still need it now. We lock this part, even that one, and also this other part here. So once you are done with that one, just click on this. So now that we have inserted this circle again, what we are going to do is now copy the text. Just copy any of these texts. Then you are going to drag it down there again. Then you are going to edit it. So edit that one. So you are saying that for this program is 1,420 kwacha. So this is what you are trying to get. Then again, you drag there until you put it on top of the circle. So the fonts are here. Then just go and change to the same font that I'm using. If you want, you can go and download it. Then just say OK. So again, you go and change the color of the text. So you have changed that one, then just mark it, and this is what you are going to get. So you are showing the amount, and again you can try to mix up and put in any information that you want to put on this poster. Now we need to insert some contacts and everything. So again, it's important to make, when you're adding contacts, you put the symbols of the contact, the symbol for email, and the symbol also for for maybe a phone. So what you can do is just go online. You can go on the internet and find the pictures that meet up the same thing. So after downloading the images that are needed for the contacts, I'll go on and copy this text. So just copy and drag it down here for contacts. So just go and edit now. So write contacts, and this is what you are getting now. So you can put it according to the way you want it, according to the information that you want it to be. So for contacts, courses on offer, we have split up everything that's supposed to be separated. Now the contacts, I will copy the same text here. So we say copy, then we edit. So here we can have the first contact. So we are going to write the phone number there, 0973 24 5 3 6, and if you so wish you can start with a plus to put the code. So it's going to be 26. Go and change to the font that is going to be visible, then okay. So we have this number. Now what you are going to do is you might want to put the symbol, the images that represent the contact that you are going to use in this case. So after that you are going to get the contacts symbols from the import. Just go import, then you go and check your downloads where you downloaded your images that are representing those. So I have the email, I have the phone, and I have this one. Then if that's what the one you want, then just say okay. Then again you can find a tool that will help you remove the backgrounds. So I'll still show you in the next video, but for today I just want to show you that you can also use images to represent the information. So in this case, just resize, make it so small, then just put it next to the number. So that is for the contact. Then the next thing that you're going to do is again copy this text, copy. Now this is going to be for the email address, so you put it somewhere there, then go and edit it. So just a matter of editing it. So from there remove that one, then just type in email, your email address. So in this case you are going to say put any email that you have. So you are saying catchkalu@gmail.com, any email account that you have, then just hit okay, and this is what you are getting. So if you want, you can now go and change the font so that you are seeing just small letters, because this font that you are having is putting everything in capital letters. So you can still go on and change the font. So let's go to the font families. You can try out this one, and that's how it's going to appear. So use any font. So for the sake of demonstration, I've just used that same one. The next thing that you're going to do now is to get the image that is going to represent the same email. So again, go back to the point of where you need to insert. So go to import, then from there downloads, and choose the email that is representing the image represent the email. So I'll get this one. Then from there you can try to crop. Otherwise I'll just maintain this one as a circle, then okay. So this is our image. So now just reduce it, make it so small so that it just fits accordingly. So this is what you are going to use as the image to represent that part. So just drag it closer to the email. So we have tried to create this part. So like that you have put also those symbols representing the contacts. So it's all depends with what you want and how you want your poster to appear. So posters can also have images, but I do not have images for the computer. I could also have inserted the pictures, then that could have been maybe the background, so that it fits with the advert that you are trying to create. So once you are done with this part, the next that you are going to do is just now download it or save it. So go to to save button here, then save it as image.